Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
Huawei has made some solid smartphones over the past few years, but the P30 Pro is the company's best attempt to take on the likes of Samsung and Apple. The P series is known for its camera performance, right from the P9 to P20 Pro. This year, Huawei has made sure its P30 Pro has the best camera ever on a smartphone. But to achieve that aim, the P30 Pro comes with not 2, not 3, but 4 cameras on the rear. But the P30 Pro is more than a camera phone. It's truly a premium device with an OLED display, an in-display fingerprint scanner, Huawei's Kirin 980 chipset, and a huge 4200 mAh battery, along with fast charging and wireless charging capabilities. I got a sneak peek at the P30 Pro last month at the global launch in Paris, and now Huawei's flagship phone is finally available in India. Priced at Rs 71,990, Huawei P30 Pro competes with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, Apple iPhone XS, and Google Pixel 3 XL. The P30 Pro looks like a cross between the P20 Pro and the Mate 20 Pro. It has the curved edges and metal band of the Mate 20 Pro with an all-screen display. In a sea of smartphones, the P30 Pro does look different thanks to its distinctive design. Despite having squeezed a 6.47-inch display, the phone doesn't feel too big. But yes, it does feel heavier in the hand. The notch is teeny tiny and contains a single selfie camera. The bezels are thin and there's a fingerprint scanner under the screen like the Mate 20 Pro. The phone doesn't have a regular earpiece and instead transmits call sound through the screen. The handset's Full HD Plus OLED display is beautiful. It is no comparison to the Galaxy S10's curved AMOLED Wide Quad HD Plus panel, but I really like the P30 Pro's display. The P30 Pro sports 4 rear camera lenses, a 40 megapixel super spectrum lens using a brand new sensor that dramatically brightens photos in extreme low light scenarios, an 8 megapixel periscope zoom array with up to 50x digital zoom, a 20 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and a time of flight lens for accurately measuring depth. As with Huawei's early devices launched under the P series, the camera tech has been developed with German optics company Leica. Regular images were impressive with an ample amount of light and color accuracy. Its low-light performance was great and its dedicated night mode works really well. The Master AI is also improved. The 32 megapixel front-facing camera takes pretty decent images and the phone's video capturing capabilities has been massively improved. So what makes the P30 Pro so unique? Well, it's the 8 megapixel zoom lens that is shaped like a square because of a periscope design. Simply put, the camera supports 5x optical zoom plus a 10x hybrid zoom and you can zoom in the camera up to 50x. The 5x optical zoom is impressive as it offers a good level of details. The 10x hybrid zoom is okay, but the results aren't encouraging. The phone also offers up to 50x digital zoom. I knew the quality of the picture would not be great, but it was fun trying to get close to the subject that's so far away. The device is powered by Huawei's 7nm Kirin 980 processor, which also powers the Mate 20 Pro. The performance was excellent throughout, matching rivals running Qualcomm's flagship processor. Launching apps was fast with no noticeable lag anywhere. Gaming performance was excellent too. Our review unit had 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone's 4200 mAh battery lasted roughly 2 days on a single charge, which is insane. A full charge took under an hour with an included 40-watt charger. The P30 Pro also supports wireless reverse charging. The phone ships with EMUI 9.1, which is based on Android 9.0 Pie. Some like it, some don't like it. I still feel EMUI is the P30 Pro's weakest point. The P30 Pro is the best smartphone Huawei has ever made. From its cameras, battery and performance, the P30 Pro gets a lot of things right. The phone is certainly not cheap at Rs 71,990, but the price is justified for someone who is serious about mobile photography.